Welcome to Casablanca, a city of contrast, beauty, and endless surprises. In this video, we'll explore its most iconic sights, from sacred places to vibrant streets, from peaceful shores to elegant corners you never imagined. But don't rush, take a breath, because what you're about to see is just a glimpse, and the best views are still ahead. Let's start by exploring the Hassan II Mosque. Standing proudly on the edge of the Atlantic Ocean, the Hassan II Mosque is not just a place of worship, it's a true masterpiece of architecture and engineering. Completed in 1993, it is the largest mosque in Morocco and the third largest in the world. What makes it truly unique is its incredible location. Part of the mosque actually extends over the ocean, built on a platform that juts out into the water. Imagine praying with the sound of the waves right beneath you. The minaret is the tallest in the world, soaring an impressive 210 meters. That's about the height of a 60-story building. At sunset, its laser beam points towards Mecca, a stunning sight visible from miles away. Inside, the mosque is a breathtaking blend of traditional Moroccan craftsmanship and modern technology. Intricate mosaics, carved cedar wood, and hand-painted tiles decorate every inch. The massive prayer hall can hold up to 25,000 worshippers, and the roof even has a retractable section to open up to the sky on beautiful days. Visiting the Hassan II Mosque isn't just a sightseeing stop, it's an experience that connects you to Morocco's rich culture, spirituality, and artistic heritage. And the view of the ocean from its terraces, absolutely unforgettable. Just outside the Hassan II Mosque, the beauty doesn't stop. This area is more than just a religious site, it's a cultural space that brings people together. Right nearby, you'll find two striking buildings, the Mediatek, a modern public library and media center, and what appears to be a museum possibly dedicated to Moroccan heritage. Both are examples of Casablanca's dedication to culture, learning, and preserving its identity. Take a moment to admire the stunning architecture all around, a perfect blend of modern design and traditional Moroccan aesthetics. From elegant geometric patterns to smooth white stone and graceful arches, every corner invites reflection and curiosity. With the ocean in the background and the calm atmosphere of this space, it's easy to feel both inspired and at peace. It's a reminder that Casablanca isn't just about movement and energy. It's also a city that gives space to beauty, thought, and connection. Now let's dive into the heart of Casablanca, its vibrant medinas and bustling markets. This is where the city comes alive in the most authentic way. The Medina is a world of its own, a maze of narrow alleys where tradition meets daily life. No matter where you turn, your senses are overwhelmed. The scent of spices like cumin and saffron fills the air. The colors of handmade rugs and ceramics pop from every stall, and the sound of vendors negotiating prices echoes around you. Here, every object has a story. You'll find beautiful leather goods crafted by hand, intricate lamps that cast magical shadows, baskets of olives in every shade of green and black, and shelves stacked with sweets like chabakia and fresh dates. And if you're lucky, you might stumble upon a hidden courtyard or a local cafe where mint tea is served with a smile. These markets aren't just for tourists. They're where locals come for daily essentials, from fresh produce and fish to fabrics and spices. The energy is real, raw, and absolutely unforgettable. It's a place where time seems to slow down, yet the market never stops moving. You can spend hours here and still feel like you've only scratched the surface. If you're looking to truly connect with Casablanca, this is where you do it. Not in the guidebooks, but right here, in the rhythm of the streets. And just when you think you've seen it all, Casablanca finds a new way to surprise you. The Medinas may feel like stepping back in time, but just a short walk away, the city transforms again. From the energy of the markets to the calm breeze rolling in from the ocean, Casablanca is a city of contrasts, tradition and modernity, noise and silence, history and movement. Keep watching. because some of the most beautiful scenes are still ahead. Welcome to Ain Diab, Casablanca's seaside escape. After the buzz of the markets, this is where the city slows down. Ain Diab is where locals and visitors come to breathe, relax, and enjoy the beauty of the Atlantic coast. With the sun shining and the waves gently rolling in, the atmosphere here is peaceful, refreshing, and full of charm. The promenade stretches along the shore with palm trees, cafes, and ocean views that go on forever. People walk, jog, or simply sit and take it all in. The salty breeze, the sound of seagulls, and the sparkling sunlight dancing on the water. Down on the beach, the mood is even more laid back. Children play in the sand, couples stroll along the shore, and surfers ride the waves in the distance. It's a place where time feels slower, where the only agenda is to enjoy the moment. Ain Diab shows you another side of Casablanca, the coastal side, where daily life meets vacation energy. And under a bright blue sky, it's easy to understand why this spot is loved by so many. From the peaceful sounds of the ocean to the crisp silhouettes of glass and steel, Casablanca evolves before your eyes. As we leave the coastline behind, the city begins to reveal a different personality. It's more polished, more vertical, and unmistakably modern. This is the financial and business heart of Casablanca, where Morocco looks to the future. The streets are broad and clean, lined with palm trees that add a Mediterranean charm to this otherwise cutting-edge district. The air feels lighter here, the pace more deliberate. Pedestrians walk between towering office buildings, luxury hotels, and elegant residential blocks surrounded by fountains, sculptures, and carefully maintained green spaces. It's a place where modern architecture takes center stage. The buildings are sleek and reflective, with clean lines, large windows, and facades that shimmer under the sunlight. Yet, look closely, and you'll still find small details, subtle nods to Moroccan craftsmanship, geometric motifs, or tilework patterns discreetly woven into the design. This harmony between tradition and progress is what makes the area feel both global and deeply local. The mood here is calm, yet professional. It's a space built for productivity, but also for comfort. Upscale cafes and international restaurants offer shaded terraces where professionals enjoy a break, while well-dressed locals browse high-end boutiques or meet for a casual lunch. There's an undeniable sense of structure and ambition in the air, a quiet confidence that tells you this city isn't standing still. Casablanca's modern district is more than just a financial center. It's a symbol of growth, a mirror of the country's aspirations, a place where young entrepreneurs, corporate leaders, and international investors come together in a landscape that looks toward tomorrow, but still knows where it came from. And as you walk through these wide boulevards surrounded by architectural precision and elegant design, it becomes clear Casablanca is not only a city of history, but a city of possibility. A place that constantly reinvents itself, and one that invites you to keep exploring. Casablanca is a city that lives through contrast, from timeless traditions to bold modernity, from the quiet shores of Ain Diab to the vibrant chaos of the Medina. And through every corner, there's beauty, movement, and a story waiting to be discovered. If you've enjoyed this journey through one of Morocco's most fascinating cities, don't forget to like the video. It really helps the channel grow. Feel free to leave a comment and share your thoughts, your memories of Casablanca, or even places you'd like to see in the next video. And of course, subscribe for more travel tours like this, calm, detailed, and full of wonder. There's still a whole world to explore, and I'd love to have you with me on the next adventure.